In this Python Flet tutorial, we will learn how to use the slider object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. In the previous video, we learned how to use the drop-down object. Let's make an example with a slider in this video. First, I create a slider object. I send minute, max, and divisions values to the function. I send the slider object to the add function. I created an application with sliders. I can add a label to the slider object. I added the label, but it doesn't appear fully yet. I will add a text object right above the slider object in a moment. First, let's change the width property of the slider object. I made the slider object a little smaller. I am creating a text object. Afterwards, I create another text object. You can think of the second text object as a title. I add text objects to the add function. The label appears exactly. I define a function with onChange to the slider object. The function will be called every time the slider object changes. I change the value of the text object appropriately. Then I update the page. When the slider object changes, the text changes appropriately. I recommend you watch the next Flet lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.